Inspired India Foundation is now 10 years old. It started with the blessings of Dr. Kalam in the year 2009. It has grown into an organization that touches the lives of the ordinary people in every part of the country, from billion beats to Granthalaya to Project Pathasala. We have touched the hearts and lives of every ordinary Indian the way that Kalam envisaged. As we now enter the year 2020, I would suggest that all the professionals from every part of India come forward and support the organization as volunteers and in whatever other capacity that they could do that. Let us all together join hands and work to make this country great again. With your support, we will move forward. Jai Hind.